Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I have an idea for our scrap ideas journals. Okay, so I have this piece of paper, it's just a piece of scrap that came from this journal. We're going to work in this journal today, and I'm going to make tags out of it, okay? And then instead of making tags and putting them into a pocket or into a tuck, we're actually going to make the tags into the tuck spot. So let's get started with this scrap. And here it is. I cut these into two tags, and then I just sewed around the edges and I inked the edges up. And that's all I've done to these. Um, it is basically, I cut them into 2 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. Okay, and then we're going to put some eyelets on here. So let me grab my hole punch real quick. Here we go. I'm just going to grab this. I am going to take two. Actually, I'm going to need the crocodile for this one. So I'm going to pull out this one, and I'm going to use the small one. I'm just going to line these up to punch the hole so that the holes are pretty much symmetrical. I'm going to add a little dot right here so I know where the center is. I'm just going to eyeball it, guys. I'm not going to. There, I'm just going to eyeball that. So I'm going to put this right there. Okay, so now I've got the two holes. Oh, that one's a little off center. They're both a little off center, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Okay, so I'm going to make these, put these two flowers, and I got the two eyelets right here and right here. Okay, so you need to adjust this, your crocodile, for these tiny eyelets. Mine are tiny, the 1/8. So I'm going to go with C3. So I'm going to pull this around. There's C. There's little alphabets on here. So I'm going to put the C down and then 3, making sure, there it is, right there. Okay, so that will make sure that my eyelets go exactly where I need them to go. I'm just going to try to push this. I'm going to try to hold that in place and push this in. Let's see. Yeah, so I just pushed it through the flower, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it just like that. There we go. Oh, that looks lovely. That's cute. Okay, let's do the same thing with this one. I'm going to put the flower over the hole, and then I'm just going to push the eyelet through these paper flowers. They're should go right through. I'm just going to hold it and push. Oops. I'm not sure I got it lined up. Okay, I think I got it. That paper flower didn't want to rip, but I think it'll be okay. Drop my eyelet. I'll try that again. Just going to push my eyelet through. Okay, so I'm just going to line that back up, guys. See, the one that sticks out is the one that you want on top, okay? So make sure you put that on top, like that. Yeah, that worked. All right, my flower got a little off place there. Let me move that. There we go. Okay, so I'm done with this. I'll put this away. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some glue here. Yeah, I'm just going to take some glue. I'm going to use my art glitter glue on this. And all I'm going to do is take it across the bottom of each one of the tags, okay? Get me almost out of glue. Sorry, got to shake it out. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to put the glue, if it comes out, right here on the bottom. There, we got it coming out now. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm just going to put the glue across the bottom edge. You don't want it to go up too far. So just across that bottom edge is all you really need to hold this in place. Okay, let me see which one was first. This one. All right, so now I'm going to take and put this against the bottom edge of my journal page. Kind of black, so I'm going to hold it up so I can see it. There we go. And then I'm just going to do the same thing with this one, kind of spacing it apart a little bit, making sure it's lined up with the bottom edge. There we go. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and then I have a couple journal cards here that I just sewed around the edges of. That's all I've done, and inked them up. And they slide. Let me see if I can. There we go. I'll hold this like this so I can show you guys. And they just slide right into place behind the the tags, just like that. Pull this out a little bit so you can kind of see a little bit behind it. There we go. So yeah, I think that is really, really cute way to use tags. We always usually stick them in a pocket or a tuck spot, but I have turned them into the tuck spot. Or you could turn them into a pocket too, but I like them as a tuck spot like this. Okay, so let me show you the other journals. Okay, here's another one that I have done, and I did the exact same thing. Well, I stamped on this because the paper was so plain, but I sewed around the edges of the tags. I added eyelets. Nope, I'm sorry. I added brads, and on the back, I put some tape, so you can see it here. I put some tape on the back so that the journal card would be sure to slide in and out unencumbered by the brad. So there's another one example. Okay, and then this one, I just did, because of the size of the page, I just did the one, here we go, the one tag on this one, and I just added some fabric up here and did a slot, and then the journal card coming out, and again, I just sewed around the edges of both of these, and this just tucks right in there. Isn't that a cute way to use a tag? I love that. Okay, one more. Okay, and then we have this one. And this one I got a little bit more creative with because I used mini tags. I just cut out little mini ones and I glued them all on the side here and added a little bit of seam binding for the top of the tags. And yeah, and then I pulled out the journal cards. So you can see them here. So I put them on the side instead of going up. And I thought that was really cute too. I love this idea, just on the side. And then I got the journal cards. These two I didn't sew on because I like them as they were. But yeah, you can write on the backs. So yeah, you got this one. They just tuck right in. See how the tags just hold everything in place. So I thought that was a really cute idea. So let me show you all again. I'll lay them all out for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it wasn't very long, but it added just something a little bit extra to our journals. So thank you guys for joining me and have a blessed day.